It's
Okay, come right here. Oh, it is? Here, scoot this way, Joe. Scoot this way. Over here. No, over here. Closer to the rocket. All right, that's good. That's good. So just so I can get y'all both in the frame. Okay. Okay, on, say, like 5, you'll put the key in and push it down, okay? 10, 9, 8. Hurry. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the key down really hard. Oh, there it is. Parachute. Where is, I can't even find it. When it launched? Yeah. I can't even see it.
Here, hold this. I'm gonna go get it. Hold it.
Take the key out.
There's Joe making the rocket intercept. What?
It was on the other side of the trees.
Uh-oh.